In a bustling metropolis where modern technology reigned supreme, there was an antique shop known as the Curiosities of Time. The shop's owner, an elderly man named Samuel, was a collector of rare and unusual artifacts, particularly those with a hint of mystery. Among his vast collection, one item stood out, a golden locket with a small, intricate clock face. The locket had an enchanting history. It was said to have belonged to a time traveler from the 19th century who had mysteriously disappeared. Legend had it that the locket had the power to transport its wearer through time, but it was also said to be cursed, for those who used it often found themselves lost in the currents of time, unable to return to their own era. One day, a young woman named Emily entered the shop. She was drawn to the locket's beauty and history and decided to purchase it. Samuel, well aware of the locket's powers, warned her of its risks, but Emily was undeterred. That night, Emily opened the locket, and as the clock face glowed, she found herself transported to the Victorian era, surrounded by gas lamps, horse-drawn carriages, and people in period clothing. She marveled at the past, but soon realized she was trapped in a time not her own. Desperate to return to her own time, Emily discovered that the locket could only be activated once a day. She embarked on a quest to find the missing time traveler, believing that only they could help her unlock the locket's secrets. In her search, Emily encountered a mysterious man who claimed to know the secrets of the locket. He revealed himself to be the missing time traveler, trapped in the past for decades. Together, they deciphered the locket's mechanisms and uncovered the knowledge required to return to the present. As Emily finally stood back in her own time, she realized the true power of the locket was not in the ability to traverse eras, but in the connections it forged across time. She returned to the antique shop and shared her adventures with Samuel, who now saw the locket in a new light. The locket remained in the shop, a symbol of the bridges between past and present, a testament to the enduring mysteries of time. Its golden frame held the secrets of the past, while its intricate clock face reminded all who beheld it that the most extraordinary adventures could be found in the unlikeliest of places and times.